Okay, you got the KWM-2A here. I just got done with the Vietnam mod. It's those two resistors. And then the diode is behind the left resistor. I think you can see it there. It goes from the turret to ground leg. So very easy to do, highly recommended. I was told that the Young Kim regulator board being installed in the 516 over here would solve this problem. It does not. You will have to do the Vietnam mod. So before this rig would jump 0.0204. Let's see if I can get this back on, so this will be an easier demonstration. It would jump 0.04 on transmit. It might have been acceptable in the 50s or 60s, but to use these in modern times, that's not going to work. It's way too far off. People will notice that you're off frequency and so on. So it's still warming up. That's why it's moving, but I'm going to go ahead and key it. And there's absolutely no change whatsoever. You hear the relay clicking. 00 unkeyed, 00 keyed. So the Vietnam mod does work, and we all knew that. Don't skip that. Just go ahead and get that done. I had to take the radio back apart. The sad thing is that, I like my B5, and I use my B5 a lot. And if I switch over to it, the problem exists on the B5 because the PTO in the B5 runs off the low voltage supply, and even though that's regulated, it gets, the PTO gets its power from a voltage divider. So here we go, and so it's jumping up about 0.0203. Yeah, 02 that time, 03 that time. So, that's not going to work. So now I have to take the B5 apart and add the same Vietnam mod to it. There's a website where a guy has pictures and instructions on how to do that, and evidently it's pretty easy to do. The resistors are right there on a terminal strip. So I'll take a video and maybe take some photos and put it up here, so anyone that wants to perform the mod will have this. So yeah, again, onto the rig's VFO. It says 93, and it's 93 when I'm keyed. So completely stable. 92, 92, keying it over and over. So there you go.